Like and subscribe to our channel, Fabulous Pattaya Media Group, by using the link below. This morning, Wednesday, the CCSA reported 13,798 new cases of COVID around the country, 14,133 released from care after recovery. In the same period, 144 deaths are attributed to the virus. Yesterday saw the Chaophraya Dams open to allow excess water to flow downstream, prompting warnings to low-lying areas of flooding. This as most of the country has seen storms or heavy rain overnight and during the course of yesterday. Flowing water supplies from upcountry were by Monday already being diverted prior to reaching the reservoirs into wetlands. However, the reservoirs themselves have already reached the ideal water levels, and river levels below the dams are expected to rise by up to 2 metres until after the weekend. Tomorrow, Thursday, will see the UK review travel restrictions for visitors to Great Britain. And with the COVID count here in Thailand on a continued decrease, it's hoped that Thailand will be removed from their red listing. Currently, visitors from here to the UK and many other countries endure quarantine at extremely high prices, which has put many off from here from travelling. We're told to expect that the UK and other countries may remove Thailand from their so-called red listings for travellers who can show proof of double vaccination, with vaccination types approved in those countries. The Thai government has approved plans to attract foreign investors, including a 10-year visa, which could be based on qualification and funds, allowing some to remain and work here along with their families without annual renewal. Hoping to attract high-end visitors and investors, the programme will be aimed at the well-heeled and those representing overseas countries. Krabi province is under lockdown as of today following outbreaks of the virus discovered there. With 842 people receiving treatment currently, the island will allow tourists from Phuket's Sandbox programme, but with no promise of much in the way of business open. The Department of Health is expected to announce that school openings, both public and private, will be based on the requirement that at least 85% of staff and pupils have been vaccinated. This as several private schools have already mailed parents with offers of vaccinations for their children between the ages of 12 and 18. State schools have been offering similar for over a week now, and it's hoped that schools can resume in-class teaching by the end of the month in some cases. In Thailand's north and northeastern provinces, concern has been raised at small clusters of the virus occurring at funerals, not emanating from the dead, but instead from the close quarters eating and drinking, which is traditional here. In some areas, villages have seen local headsmen reducing celebrations and even attendance at rituals. And when a gold shop was robbed at knife point by an errant 17-year-old school pupil in the capital, the teenager was quickly nabbed by police and slung in jail pending court appearance. 800,000 bahts worth of gold was recovered, and she, yes she, was charged with armed robbery. What no one expected was for her school principal to bail her out. Along with the welfare department representative, the principal arrived, paid the costs, and told the media that he felt that his team had let the child down and that she'd always had excellent grades. Rumour is that she robbed the shop as she'd built up gambling debts, but either way, mental health experts are due to take care of her. This morning, Chonburi province reported 835 new cases of the virus, 190 in Sriracha, 135 in Banglamung, 118 in Sattahip, and 129 in Banglamung. During the same period, 9 deaths have been attributed to the virus. And with the Met Office promising a wet day with heavy rain at some times and temperatures ranging from 30 down to 27, and the apology for the quality of this recording, as we are recording in the middle of a storm. Local and national news today from Fabulous 103 FM and Fabulous Pattaya Media Group. And to get a notification every time we release another bulletin or programme,